let's learn how to change the Snapchat language. It's very simple, but many people don't know how to do it. If you want to know how to do this, stay until the end of the video. First, you need to make sure that your Snapchat is updated by going to the App Store. Once the App Store is open, you need to click on the option located in the bottom right corner. Click on that option and type in Snapchat. When the page opens, you will see a blue button next to the Snapchat app. If the blue button says Open, you have the latest version, but if it says Update, click on that button and wait a bit. The first thing you need to do once you've updated Snapchat is to open Snapchat on your iPhone by clicking the Open button. Once the Snapchat app is open, you need to go to the settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. When you click on that icon, a page with your profile will open. To open settings, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of that page. This will open a page with many options, from which you need the option Language. You will find it by scrolling down a bit. Once you find it, click on that option, and a page with one option will open, which is Go to Settings. Click on that option, and it will automatically take you to the page with the settings for Snapchat. On that page, there will be several options, and you need the option Language. Click on that option, which is located at the bottom of the page. When you click on that option, a page will open with a list of all the languages you can choose from. Find the language you want and click on it. That's it. You have successfully changed the language on Snapchat. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.